It's Rosita here, your go-to teacher to effective teaching. And all right, I want to talk about learning because as teachers, I think it's important to say that it is important to know what learning is. All right, let's get this video started. So learning is generally identified as a relatively permanent change in behavior, skills, knowledge, or attitudes resulting from, I need to take a deep breath here, from identifiable psychological or social experiences. Whew. A key feature when it comes to learning is permanence. Changes do not count as learning if they are temporary. For an example, you do not learn a phone number if you forget it right after you put it in your phone. Now, learning can be, it's cognitive, right? But learning can also be physical. It can be social. It can be emotional. We can actually learn how to like or dislike someone, even though that this change may not happen deliberately. And as educators, we have to constantly remind ourselves that learning is not the same as teaching. The distinction between learning and teaching, our efforts, right? The teaching with what the students get from their efforts, which is known as learning. Now, the circumstances of teaching, like the number of students in the classroom, can influence the teacher's perceptions of learning and therefore also can influence in, how we teach. Now, there are several major theories of learning, but briefly, I'm just going to talk about two of them. So the first main theory is behaviorism. Behaviorism emphasizes the links that can often be observed among overt behaviors and the circumstances of the behaviors. And there are a variety of behaviorism called operant conditioning has been used by a number of educators to explain and to organize management strategies for certain students, especially the students who have behavioral issues or need behavioral improvements. And then the other learning theory that we have is constructivism. Constructivism is a theory that emphasizes the inner thoughts of learners, both young and adult learners. There are many varieties of constructivism, but the two main varieties are going to be the psychological constructivism and social constructivism. Psychological constructivism emphasizes the independence of learners, and social constructivism emphasizes learners' need for social connections while learning. And I will be creating more videos to discuss the details of these two types of learning theories. So that will go ahead and complete this video. If you guys have questions or topics that you guys would like to ask me, don't hesitate to leave it in the comments below. And guys, please follow me on my socials, would be Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. I love networking with other educators. And again, I cannot emphasize this enough. If you have questions, please reach out. And if there's something in particular that you guys want me to talk about, an idea for a video, please let me know. I'm all about teaching about teaching. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.